In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove external links from your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so if you had added any external links on your channel, maybe social media links or website links, and you'd like to remove them, it is pretty simple. All you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio and then head over to customization. From here, scroll down until you get to this section called channel URL. Under it, you can see we have links. Now under links, you should be able to see all the links that you added on your website, and you can see mine are here. So I added a website link and I'd like to remove it. To remove it, just go ahead and click on remove icon here and go ahead and click on publish. And now you'll have removed your external link. So if you go back to your channel and then click enter more, now you'll find that there is no link section, or if you have link section, then the specific link that you removed will not be available. So that's how you can remove external links on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.